So if ever we have our extras, nag-i-invest kami dun sa mga gusto naming. I'm Nova. Our business is a flower shop. The name of flower shop is Suti Flowers and Greens. Okay siya kasi volume yung customers, lahat ng ages nagsi-celebrate ng Valentine's Day. Advance booking para malaman namin kung ano yung flowers na kailangan marami kaming stock para makater namin yung mga needs ng mga clients namin. For us, we would like to provide our clients yung quality and elegant na gawa ng Suti Flowers. We are inspired by nature para mag-create ng timeless masterpiece sa mga client namin. And nag-i-invest, like, kailangan namin tingnan kung ano yung gusto namin mangyari for our flower shop. So if ever we have our extras, nag-i-invest kami dun sa mga gusto namin meron kami